On this episode of Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites, we have Chef Saurabh from Spice and Spirits, and he's making chicken tikka masala. Stick around and find out how it's done.
Welcome to Coastal Cooking Quick Bites, brought to you by Pensacola Energy.
Hey, welcome to Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites. I'm your host, John Scanlon, and I'm here with a very special guest, Chef Saurabh from Spice and Spirits, located at 1 North New Orleans Road in Pensacola, Florida. Chef Saurabh, thank you so much for being on the show. What are you cooking for us today?
First of all, thank you for having me over here. I'm cooking chicken tikka masala. It's one of your favorite, like you said last time. So this is heavy cream, chicken tikka, salt, onion sauce, tomato sauce, garam masala, which is very important, fenugreek leaves, and that's it.
So what does it make it? What's chicken tikka? So what does that make the tikka? What kind of seasoning do you have on it, or?
So tikka is this. This is chicken cooked inside the skewers, and then you take it inside the tandoor. Skewer, tandoor, and this is the chicken tikka. Okay. What makes it the masala are these.
Okay. Awesome. And so if you're cooking this at home, you don't have to have special equipment. You can just cook it on your stove.
No, you can put it inside your oven, and that's it. Wait for 25 minutes, and then it'll be done.
Oh, that's awesome. And you can't smell it right now, but we haven't even started cooking yet, and everything. The aroma is just so potent right now. It smells incredible. So where do we begin?
Right now, we start with heating up the pan and some onion sauce, which is important. So I diced the onions, and I added ginger garlic paste, some masalas, whole masalas like cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaves, turmeric, which is the most ingredient in the onion sauce. That's why it's giving me this color. And oil. Oil, why? Because oil cooks the turmeric and all the masalas, all the whole masalas. That's why it gives me that aromatic feel when I'm cooking it.
Now, I will say, at your restaurant, when you pull up and you open your car door, it hits you. You can smell it from outside. It's amazing. I mean, even right now, just stirring that a little bit.
A bit of spice and spirits over here.
Absolutely. You have to kind of experience it, because it just knocked us off our feet whenever we went there to come talk with you and to try it out, and it was amazing. And you guys are open from?
We're open from every day from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Weekdays we have a buffet, and from 2 p.m. till 10 p.m. we have our a la carte, which is a menu. And weekends we are open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
All a la carte.
So all a la carte on the weekends. During the week, it's just 11 to 2 for the buffet. And then, of course, you can still get a la carte from 11 to 10.
Yes.
And so we've had the buffet a couple times.
Yes.
And we've actually got a la carte, and everything's just been fantastic. I mean, one of my new favorite places in Pensacola.
So we're actually going to bring more menu, more varieties inside our menu. And now that this is boiling, I can add 1 scoop of tomato sauce. So this is my ratio. This is my ratio for 2 to 1.
Okay.
That's 2 scoops of the onion sauce, 1 scoop of the tomato sauce. And this is when I add my chicken, just to make sure that it's cooking in there. Add this. I add heavy cream. Not much, just enough. And I add fenugreek leaves. So you can actually toast these fenugreek leaves just a minute. More than that, these if you hold these are very fragile.
Oh yeah.
If you put them inside the oven, they'll burn.
Okay.
So what I do is I bring up my oven to 200 or 250 and then close it for 5 minutes. Close it. Put my fenugreek leaves in there. Take it out in less than a minute.
Oh.
That's what's gonna give it that dryness. So now it's at the stage where I can add my garam masala.
So is that cream that thickens it up, or is it?
Cream loosens it up.
Okay.
So my onion sauce thickens it up.
Oh. Okay,
Yes.
Yeah.
It's kind of what should I say? It's kind of puzzling.
Now, and you've trained all over for your culinary skills. You
Yes.
trained in India.
I've trained in India. Couple of months. I haven't been properly trained in India, but I've from my family's restaurants and stuff. I've learned from over there from different chefs. Yes, and I've been to culinary school in Chicago, and I was working in Atlanta.
Okay, so
Yes.
worldwide, and we got you in Pensacola, and we're better for it. I will say that.
Let's see. Right. If you want to taste a bit. So while cooking, you're supposed to taste every bit. I didn't taste while I was adding tomato sauce, onion sauce. This is almost my final product. I have to make sure that salt is perfect. Garam masala is not too high, depending on the customers. Okay, I need some garam masala in there. So garam masala is the only thing that makes it the chicken tikka masala. People can add cumin, people can add coriander, people can add turmeric, but that's not chicken tikka masala. It just won't fix it.
I know I've had a lot of Indian food, and that cumin, you really get a strong taste of it. And I think
yes, cumin.
sometimes, like you were saying, they put it in there, but it doesn't take that. It doesn't take the place of another spice. It's just more cumin.
Yes, it does not. You cannot forge cumin into a coriander, right?
And that was something that was really incredible about eating at Spice and Spirits, is that it wasn't just one flavor. And we were talking a little earlier. It's you rattled off 15, 20 different spices in your food, and you can taste it all at different times, and it's incredible. It really is.
So I know why you're saying that, because I generally do not puree everything. I puree 95% of it, and I leave the rest 5% so that people can actually taste what flavors I'm serving.
Yeah, the first time we ever ate there, a friend of ours, we ate outside. We ate and we talked outside, and that's what we discussed. Is it was the flavor changed throughout, as it set on your palate, and it was good.
And now we'll let this boil for about 3 minutes till it thickens down, till my onion sauce swollens up and then absorbs all that heavy cream.
Okay. All right, our chicken tikka masala has been cooking for about 3 or 4 minutes. It's thickened up some. It's about the consistency you're looking for.
Yes, sir.
And we're going to plate it up, see what it looks like, and then stick around for our other episodes where we do the accompanying dishes with it.
And I get this to the side. So generally, I'll have the dishes over here so that it saves me time. First, always the chicken cube so that the drops don't go all over the place.
That looks fantastic.
Not much, just enough to coat that. And don't let this go waste. Use this. and fenugreek leaves on top. Crush them. If you want, you can put a side of a cube of a butter or something, but
That looks amazing.
thank you.
Chef Sarab, thank you for being on the show. It's such a pleasure to have you, and thank you for cooking a chicken tikka masala. Make sure to go by and see Chef Sarab at Spice and Spirits. It's 1 North New Warrington Road. It's right there on the corner of New Warrington Road and Chiefs Way in Pensacola. They're open from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. for their buffet. That's Monday through Friday. And then 11 to 10 for a la carte, and that's 7 days a week. Stick around. Make sure you look at the other episodes of Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites with Chef Sarab, and we'll see you next time.
This has been Coastal Cooking Quick Bites, brought to you by Pensacola Energy.